What's up, guys? Another day here. Real quick, I put the back of my car up and I was checking out the control arm that I welded up together. I don't know, something about it is sketching me out. I really want to put a bit more bracing in there just to make sure that it's solid. I'm just kind of scared to drive the car on the highway, you know what I mean? So here, let me get up in there. Alright, so this is what we got right here. So this is what we're working with. I feel like I'm gonna put another piece of metal from there to there and from there to there on both sides, acting as a brace. I have this piece of metal right here. I'm gonna use this to cut a hole right here so it'll give me a nice curve to go around that pipe. Then I'm gonna hammer it down, make it curved so that I could weld that on there. Gives me a nice little curve to work with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this curve over something round, resembling a pipe or anything of that sort, and I will use a hammer to make this round. I have these little guys right here, and hopefully I can brace that control arm so that it holds up a bit better for now. So this is how it's gonna go. Obviously I still have to cut it, but one's probably gonna go right there and to this plate, and then one on the other side, or maybe I could even do it like this, but I think that'll interfere. So I'm just gonna cut it short right about there. When it's cut out, I put a little groove on it for better welding. It's time to prep these guys for welds and go put them on the car and tack it up. I prepped up the control arm and the pieces. Here's one of the pieces. I know it doesn't look pretty, but it'll do its job. And here is the control arm. Little tip, if you're welding and you got a bunch of stuff you don't want to burn, take really wet rags and wrap it around everywhere so that your spit off or whatever doesn't hit anything and catch on fire. Yep, so now I'm gonna tack this up and see if I can weld it up. This is what it looks like. Really ugly welds, but structurally it's gonna help out a lot more. So yeah, there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps someone out. And I love my car ramp. This thing is awesome. Only issue is that you can't really work on the differential and the axles because the wheels are still attached to the ground. But you know, that's just another step closer to figuring that out. Other than that, today's project is done. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace.